Klay Thompson suffers from pain in his left leg after Junior Smith fouled him early in the first quarter of Game 1 of the 2018 NBA Finals. Golden State Warriors star escort Klay Thompson limped off the ground and returned to the locker room midway through the first quarter of the first game of the 2018 NBA Finals on Thursday, after a terrifying collision with Cleveland Cavaliers guard Junior Smith. With less than 6½ minutes to go in the first quarter of the first game of the Finals, Smith hit a three-pointer to give the Cavs an 18-15 lead. The Warriors watched to push the ball across the court in transition, throwing the ball to Thompson as he ran past the middle of the court. A retreating Smith tried to close the pass and interrupt Thompson's catch, but slipped on reaching it, falling below Thompson and sliding into Klay's planted left leg. Thompson's knees buckled as his ankle remained motionless, leaving him with evident pain as he touched the ground. After a brief stay on the court, Thompson was able to stand up, leave the court and grimace as he did so. Shortly after taking a seat and being visited by team training staff, Thompson got up and headed to the locker room with the Warriors' head performance therapist, Chelsea Lane. Thompson had previously injured the same left leg on a drive during Game 4 of the Western Conference Finals against the Houston Rockets.